Hello. Today I will be talking about cloth diapering. Uh, from where this thought has came up. A baby uses 8 to 10 diapers a day, and if you count, let's take an average of 10 diapers, disposable diapers. Then a month, baby uses 300 diapers. Year is 3,600 diapers. For 2 years, it's 7,200 diapers, and those are all disposable diapers that are going to go in landfill, and they are going to stay forever. I have seen most of my friends and my relatives using those disposable diapers. Whenever I saw them, I decided that whenever I will have a baby, I will not use disposable diapers. That's when the idea came up about cloth diapering. So I moved back to India when I got pregnant. I started researching about cloth diapering. Back, like when we born, our mothers used not a cloth diapering but langotis, right? But this is a better way. So I researched about so many companies. In India, they have so many companies like Super Bottoms, Bumpadam, then Banana Charlie or Charlie Banana, and there are other local companies as well. After researching so much, I finally decided to go with Super Bottoms. They are the number one company of cloth diapering in India. Okay, here it is, Super Bottoms, and my baby is 21 days old today, and we are pretty much satisfied with the result. So initially, when we were in the hospital, definitely they were giving disposable diapers, and then when we came home, they also gave us a bunch of disposable diapers. So for initial 7 days, yes, we used disposable diapers because I was not in a condition to wash and clean all this reusable cloth diapers. So from 8th day, we started introducing cloth diapers during the day, and during the night we used to use disposable diapers. By the end of 14th, like 2 weeks, we were completely switched to cloth diapering. So that is the good thing. The beauty is to see the empty dustbins and reusing the stuff. So that was the best part. Okay, now I will show you what kind of diapers they have and which work best for us. So the first that I ordered was like this, langoti. Okay, so this is a simple langoti that in most of the cases we used, right? But it has a very nice soft fleece cover. So they are saying that it should resist 1P, but honestly this was a failure. So initially I thought for a newborn or for initial 1-2 months I'll be using this most of the time, but I regret because even for 1P it is leaking. So then I stopped using this. So this is not useful. Second stuff they have is a newborn diaper. They call it Uno newborn diaper. Okay, and the beauty is everything comes in this either cloth or either paper packaging. They never send anything in the plastic. So that is the best thing. Okay, so this is a newborn Uno diaper, and it ranges. So they have baby weight capacity as well. So this is 3 kg to 7 kg, right? And so it has a velcro, and when you open, so this is called the main outer cover. Okay, and they have made this with the cloth but waterproof. Okay, now they have buttons here inside. Okay, 2 buttons where you have to insert this main pad. So this is how it looks, the insert main pad. So you wrap it like this. They have 2 buttons here too. Okay, then you stick it inside this diaper. Okay, your main pad is inside your diaper outer layer, and then your diaper is ready. You place the baby, you wrap it, and you velcro it. Okay, so this is for newborn, and this is how it works. Okay, same way we have this one that is 2.0 Uno diaper, and this is starting from I think 3 months to 3 years. Okay, so one-time investment for 3 years. So, and same thing, it also has this kind of buttons. Okay, so this is the outer layer. Then this is called main pad, main insert pad, same thing. Okay, so wrap these two buttons, you clip it in. Okay, I'm clipping it, and then you place it, and your diaper is ready. Okay, now they have a buttons here, so according to the size of your baby, you can either place down, up, far or closer. Currently we are using the minimum level. So we did have a leakages because my baby's thighs are very thin currently. Now we are not seeing any leakages in 1-2 days because he is now gaining weight. Okay, so that is the one thing. Another thing is for overnight diapering, when your baby is peeing a lot at night. So this is the main pad. Then they have a booster pad. This is how it looks, the booster pad. So you just, it's just like this. You fold it, then you place it inside the main pad. Then you roll it, means, and then you place it. Okay, so this is for extra coverage. Then they have another fleece kind of what I can say, handkerchief like stuff. You can place it on top of it, and then you can baby can wear it. This is for the better cleaning. Okay, I will tell you how to clean the diapers. So these are the 3 categories: langot, newborn diaper, and then a regular Uno 2.0. Okay, now yes, another thing, they have this little bag. This is again a waterproof bag. So if you are going out, then you can place your used diapers inside. It's not going to smell. They have designed such a way, and you can come and home and then wash it. Another beautiful stuff they have is this breast pads. Okay, when you are breastfeeding, you will need this. Again, this is reusable. So I have a pair of 2. So I just use it one day, then wash it the other day. Right? So this is how it is. Now next step is cleaning. For peeing, okay, so now I've asked them multiple questions about how to clean this. Okay, so the first step is, if it is only with the pee, you just remove it and then you place it just like this in a bucket. So we have kept a bucket in our bathroom. If it is only with the pee, you just keep it like this. If it is poop, right, then what you will do is, you will use a jet, a water jet or poop jet, and then you just spray on it so that all the poop will go away, right? And then again you place it just like that in the bucket. You no need to soak in detergent water, just like that, right? Same way, this is waterproof. If you have any leakages or if you feel this is dirty or it is wet, then you can again place it just like this. If it has a poop, then same thing, you apply a water jet, you clean this and you use it, okay, and you throw it for washing. Yes, and again, if this is clean, this is dry, then you can reuse it. You just remove this pad, you place the new pad, and then you reuse it. Okay. Then, so what we are doing is, we are placing all the diapers and pad into the bucket, and then once we are out of diapers or we are full, then all those pads and diapers, you keep it in the washing machine with regular detergent. Whatever detergent you are using for the washing machine, just apply that, give that, and run for the lowest cycle. So in my washing machine we have 14-minute cycle, so I run it for the lowest cycle. So all the pee and poop, that will go away. Once they are cleaned, then you can again, you have to do the washing second time. So with your regular laundry load, definitely you will have it daily. So you place all your clothes, this washed pads and washed diapers, you again place it and just run a normal regular cycle that you are running for your clothes. Once they are done, then you just sun dry them, simple, and they will be ready to reuse. We have a cloth dryer, yes, as well. So what we are doing is, we are putting in the cloth dryer and they are drying up. So that's it. That's all about cloth diapering. The beautiful thing is, they send, whenever they send something, they send with a beautiful sticker, and I love this sticker. I am saving Mother Nature. And I'm really, really happy that I found this Super Bottom company and we both are liking it. Thank you.